Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Today's dinosaur is awesome. Starts with a D and was the model for the Velociraptor from the Jurassic movies. Deinonychus. That's right, Bruno. It's a Deinonychus. You watched the last episode. Can you say Deinonychus? Like this. Deinonychus. 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 Great job, Bruno. The Deinonychus lived in the late Cretaceous period in North America. Fossils were found in Montana. Simulator. You got it, Bruno. Let's go back in time with the time simulator. He's cool. So cool, Bruno. The word Deinonychus means terrible claw for obvious reasons. Ouch. Those curved claws made catching food easy and are what made scientists believe they evolved into birds. The Deinonychus was a carnivore, which means they eat meat. They had very sharp teeth, with a bite as strong as a crocodile. They weighed about 180 pounds, were about 1.5 meters or 5 feet tall, and 3 meters or 10 feet long. The Deinonychus was bipedal, which means they walk on 2 feet, like humans do. More than likely, they were feathered, like the Velociraptor. They also had a pretty big brain for their size. He's coming. The T-Rex is back. Let's get out of here, Bruno. He's gonna catch us one of these days, Bruno. Hope not. Okay, kids, that ends today's show, but we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno. Bye, Bruno.
Pie.